I thought I'd make a short video on how I built this deck. I built to get the ground level, I had to build it up quite a bit on this end and dig down on the other end. So I went ahead and just put some posts in because I have dogs. I figured I need to have something to keep them from scratching the side of the pool. So I put some 4x6s in about 3.5 feet. Put cement at about halfway up in the ground on the posts. Then it's probably not to code, but I just put, approximately 3 feet or so of 2x6s across. If you can look, you can see how the construction is. Those 2x I put down on the ground all the way around. I used a transit to get them all level. And then I put dirt up to the near the top of those all the way around. It's ground to set a little bit. That way I was able to get it nice and level. I had to rent a transit just for a couple hours to do that. It wasn't a big deal. I put these about 4x6s about 6 foot apart. I ran a 2x6. If you look, I ran a 2x6 on each side of them, all the way down, level, all the way down. And I put 2x6s across the top of those, about 2 feet apart, all the way down. 2x6 here, 2x6 here. Did pretty much everything with 2x6s. And it's pretty sturdy. I put these little kickers in here, 3 or 4 of them along here, just to, when you get a big guy standing on the end here, I want it to be solid, and it's solid. And the railing is just 2x4s screwed to the 2x6. I doubled it to make it a little stiffer. Originally I didn't have this extra board in here, but the dogs have learned to jump up through there, so I put an extra 1x4 across. And over here I just went a little bit further. Came out and used 2x6s going all the way across. Just kind of made it up as I went. Just built some steps just from scratch. I put a little access gate over here. To get junk that gets dropped alongside the pool. Gate here to keep the dogs off the deck. When I filled the pool up with water, I built the deck after I put the pool up. But I wanted the deck to be straight. I figured out when I take the pool down, if I take it down and reset it up, I'll move it over a little bit. But in the meantime, I had to temporarily put this 1x6 along there to keep the dogs from dropping balls between the pool and the deck, or from slipping down in there and breaking a leg. You can see there's a bunch of leaves in here. I haven't vacuumed it today. This tree really makes a mess if there's a storm. But this makes it a lot easier for cleaning. So walk along here and vacuum. And that's kind of the basics. I mean, I kind of just build stuff as as I go. I don't know if the dog came out of there or not. It's fairly simple. The lattice does a good job of keeping the dogs out, and it looks halfway decent. I made a little thing here to so all this stuff's together right here. The chlorine generator and the pump. You can get to it, and it still keeps the dogs out. Probably took, I don't know, $1,500 worth of lumber. Probably. I really didn't add it up as I was going. The dog's still in there. But that's it. Come on, Comet. That's all there is to it. Maybe I'll make a more detailed one at another time. But thanks for watching. Bye.